on, people? This is a quick one. I have noticed there has been some new changes in the drone laws 2026 as of January the 1st, and there is one big law change that no one's talking about, and that is you can fly bigger drones under similar restrictions as the mini drones. And the reason why that is as of the 1st of January 2026, there is now C class ratings on drones. And what I'm going to show you is the lowest class is the C0 UK 0, which is in effect to the 31st of December 2027. And what that means is the drones which are C0 classed as the mini drones, which are the DJI Neo 2, the DJI Neo, the DJI Flip, the Mini 5 Pro, the Mini 4 Pro, the Mini 3, the whole Mini series, and also the most currently sold DJI Mini 2. Now, those are the same restrictions. Nothing's changed with those drones. You still can fly them over people pretty much anywhere apart from flight restrictions, temporary danger areas, or flight restriction zones. Always remain compliant with the CAA and be lawful. Now, with drones, one thing I'll say, it is all about good airmanship, and airmanship comes under a wide category of: are you safe to fly? Are you fatigued? Are you remaining compliant? Have you got a spotter? You remain in visual line of sight. Spotters for FPV, I will make that clear. But airworthiness is a big factor. It's all about making good decisions when flying your drone. So as of the 1st of January...
So what does that mean? If your drone is a C0, a UK 0, a UK 1, or a C1 class marked drone and is less than 900 grams, that basically means you can fly over people who are uninvolved.
I will read out the new drones, not really the new, but the drones with new lenient restrictions that you can fly in sort of the same areas as the minis or the Neos or the C0 UK 0 drones, and those are the DJI Air 3S, the DJI Air 2S, the DJI Air 3, the DJI Avata 2, the DJI Mavic 3, Mavic 3 Cine, Mavic 3 Classic, the DJI Mavic 3 EU, the DJI Mavic 3 T EU, the DJI Mavic 3 T. So I'm guessing those are the thermal drones and also the advanced. These drones now can be flown in the same category as the mini drones, being A1 and A3. So once again, if you have a bigger drone and you would like to fly it in less restricted areas, drop your comments down below in the comment section. Once again, thank you.